How to save items to your wish list on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save items to your wish list on Instagram. So this wish list only you can see her. So to do this, all you need to do is click on your Instagram, click on the shop icon beside the reels icon, and now for example I like one of those product, click on it, and all you need to do is click on like you are saving a post, click on it, and like you see this post has saved to your wish list. Now to find your wish list, click on the favorite icon beside those three lines up there and click on it, and you're gonna find what did you saved, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.